Hey everyone, it's Lauren with Toast Education. Let's review some basic navigation and features of your kitchen display screen, or KDS. We'll cover a variety of KDS features and how to use them. Before using these features, you'll need to do some setup in Toast Web to best meet your restaurant's needs. Don't worry though, we'll link to helpful setup resources along the way to make sure that you're set up for success. Okay, let's dive in. This is your KDS. When an order is placed, tickets will appear right here. You can scroll from left to right to view all open tickets, and then you can click on a ticket to fulfill either the entire order or one item within the order. Tickets will show in order of when they were fired, with older tickets on the left and newer tickets on the right. You can set your KDS as a prep station or an expediter by navigating to Device Setup, scrolling down to Kitchen Setup, and selecting this option. Remember, a expediter will fulfill tickets for all prep stations, and a prep station will fulfill tickets just for that one or a group of prep stations. On the top right of your screen, you'll see 4 buttons. These buttons will provide you more information and options on your KDS. Let's check them out. When you select Show All Day View right here, your screen will change to show you how many specific items need to be prepared. All Day View makes it super easy to see this condensed list of totaled menu items without having to search through every ticket to see what can be made at the same time. So as you can see, we have 5 cheese curds total that need to be made and 2 mozzarella sticks total. To go back to the ticket view, just select Hide All Day View, and you can always toggle back and forth. The Show Recently Fulfilled button will show tickets that you recently fulfilled to make it easy to see what's been completed and unfulfill those tickets if you need to. These tickets are in green right here and will always be on your screen's left. Selecting Hide Recently Fulfilled will take you back to your normal KDS view. The Recall button will reopen the last ticket that you fulfilled. This is helpful if, say, you accidentally bump a ticket that isn't ready yet. Recall tickets will say Recalled in red right here, and you can recall multiple tickets by tapping the button multiple times like this. Lastly, this 3-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen allows you to select different configuration options on that specific device, like how tickets are displayed, which tickets are displayed, and whether the device is set up as an expediter or prep station like I showed you through Device Setup. Back on your main screen, let's check out Production Item Count. Whereas All Day View summarizes orders at the item level, Production Item Count summarizes it at the ingredient level. So for example, if there are 6 active orders for double cheeseburgers, Production Item Count will tell you that you need 12 burger patties total. In order to see production items on your KDS, you'll first need to configure these settings in Toast Web, and then after that, enable which ones you want to track directly on your KDS. To learn how to do all this, check out this Toast Central article. Okay, let's check out a couple more features on your KDS before we wrap up. By navigating to Device Setup, you have the option of changing your KDS view from Dynamic View to Grid View. Grid View is Toast's KDS view designed to optimize the kitchen for speed and efficiency. This features a fixed configurable grid layout and the ability for the kitchen to preview incoming orders before them being finalized. One last important feature I want to share. In the event of a Toast or internet outage, your KDS can still receive in-store orders with Toast offline mode. That means that through your local area network, your staff can continue service as usual for any orders taken in-house. Online orders cannot be received when there is a Toast or internet outage. For more on KDS offline mode, check out this article. Thanks so much for watching this video. For more information and helpful resources to get you started with your KDS, check out these Toast Central articles.